Welcome back to Deal Finder CA. Today we are checking out the latest Costco deals and clearance finds available right now. If you love saving money, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up is this Samsung 3.1 channel soundbar. The regular price is $299.99, but right now it's on sale for $249.99 until 18th June. It features Dolby Audio, a built-in center speaker for clearer dialogue, and bass boost for deeper sound. If you've been thinking about upgrading your TV audio, this is a solid Costco deal worth checking out. Next up are these Fate electric LED string lights. You get a total length of 48 feet, making them perfect for patios, decks, and backyard entertaining. They're suitable for wet locations, include shatterproof bulbs, and you can connect up to 20 strands together. At only $39.99, these lights can completely transform your outdoor space for summer. Looking for better sleep and more privacy? These blackout curtains measure 50 by 90 inches and come in a convenient 2-pack. They offer 100% blackout coverage, help reduce outside noise, and can even improve energy efficiency in your home. Available in 2 colors, they're a practical upgrade for bedrooms, nurseries, or media rooms. Here's a great snack deal. Nature's Source pumpkin seeds come in a box of 24 individual packs, each containing 28 grams. You get 3 delicious flavors including sea salt, barbecue, and tamari. They're perfect for lunch bags, road trips, or a quick healthy snack during the day. All 24 packs are available for just $9.99. This room divider is one of the best clearance finds in the warehouse. Measuring 58 inches tall with a clean white finish, it includes 8 fabric storage bins for extra organization. It works great in laundry rooms, offices, shops, or living spaces. Originally priced around $190, it's now marked down to only $139.97 while supplies last. Coffee lovers won't want to miss this one. The Ninja Luxe Cafe 3-in-1 specialty coffee maker is now $499.99 after $130 in savings. It features a dual froth system that works with both hot and cold drinks, giving you coffeehouse-style beverages at home. This deal is available until 11th June, so don't wait too long. Next up is Van Hout French Roast K-Cups. You get a massive box of 80 pods for just $43.99, valid until 21st June, that's about 55 cents per cup for a premium dark roast coffee. Here's another excellent clearance deal. These Tahari quilted jackets for women are marked down to only $14.97. Available in sizes extra small through extra large and offered in 2 colors, they're lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for cooler mornings or evenings. At under $15, this is one of the best clothing deals I've seen at Costco recently. Flora Necruz is both comfortable and stylish. Available in blue, pink, and sage green, it's currently on sale for $16.99 down from $22.99. The promotion is only valid until 7th June. For the guys, check out these prospector slides. Available in sizes 8 through 12 and priced at $29.99, they're comfortable enough for everyday wear around the house or while running errands. I actually picked up a pair for my husband, and he loves them. They're available in a classic brown color and feel surprisingly well made. The Adidas Game Day hat is another great apparel find. Available in 3 different colors and offered in small, medium, and large, extra large sizes, it's priced at just $18.99. This over and back two-tier fruit basket combines metal wire construction with beautiful acacia wood accents. It's perfect for organizing fruit, vegetables, snacks, or other kitchen essentials while saving counter space. The modern design looks great in almost any kitchen, and at $29.99, it offers both style and functionality. Costco also has this OXO Softworks to pack toilet brush set available for $19.99. Each brush comes with an automatic opening canister that closes when the brush is returned. The dual-action bristles help clean under the rim more effectively, making bathroom cleaning easier while keeping everything neatly concealed. This Thomasville swivel chair is one of the biggest furniture savings in the warehouse. The light gray fabric design works with many home styles, and it's currently selling for $450. That's a significant discount. Just remember, this deal is only available until 7th June. Need a new laundry hamper? This woven design includes a removable and washable 100% polyester liner. It looks much nicer than a standard plastic basket while still being practical for everyday use. At only $19.99, it's an affordable way to add both style and functionality to your laundry routine. One of my favorite home organization finds is this Simple Human 58-liter step can. It features dual compartments for sorting waste and recycling, removable bins for easy cleaning, and a soft close lid. Built with stainless steel and durable plastic components, it's available now for $99.99 and offers excellent quality for the price. This Artica LED vanity mirror is packed with premium features. It includes dimmable lighting, a built-in defogger, motion sensor controls, edge-lit illumination, and 1200 lumens of brightness. Whether you're renovating a bathroom or upgrading your morning routine, this modern mirror is available at Costco for $89.99. If you've been shopping for a gazebo, this deal is worth a serious look. The Yardistry 12 by 14 foot gazebo features a Montana bronze aluminum roof, large cedar posts, and beautiful mocha brown stain. Costco has it for $1,699.99, while similar pricing online can be much higher. This could completely transform your outdoor living space. The Infinity X1 Worklight 3-pack is another fantastic value. Each light produces up to 2,500 lumens, includes USB-C recharging, magnetic mounting capability, and delivers up to 18 hours of runtime. Whether you're working in a garage, workshop, or during emergencies, all three lights are available for just $29.99. This Fantic X200 Mix cordless vacuum is perfect for keeping your vehicle clean. It delivers powerful 16,000 pascals suction and includes 4 attachments for reaching tight spaces, keyboards, and car interiors. The LED display shows battery life and operating mode. It's currently $45.99 after savings and available until 14th June. Last but not least is the Type S AD2 Pro electric air duster. It features a high-performance brushless motor capable of producing up to 90,000 RPM airflow. With 4 adjustable speed settings, cordless operation, and rechargeable convenience, it's great for cleaning electronics, vehicles, and workshops. Now on sale for $79.99 until 14th June. Thanks for watching today's Costco deals and finds. Let me know in the comments which deal was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow at DealFinderCA for more Costco finds, clearance deals, and money-saving tips every week.